And
Arnab,
this very strategy.
It is
One
the
sec.
same
Yes.
arrogance
So-
of power
Arnab,
in
I think
2000.
you are
No,
right.
no,
Business
Mr.
by
Gujral, let
business.
me push you a little bit more on that.
It is the same
You are
arrogance
aware
of power
that
reality
no
that
political
comes from
party in India
2009.
has got to
It is the
272
same
or
arrogance
beyond
of power
since the
that will
1984 elections. The controversy today is about whether the BJP is prematurely calling the election. The best that you have managed so far is 182 in 1998 and 1999 also. I think you got 182. The sum total of all your
I am
best
not saying that the
performances in all
BJP will
states
touch the magic
does not
number.
come up to 272. The question is on overconfidence, Mr.
I am
Gujral.
not saying.
Overconfidence.
I am saying BJP
Arnab.
will definitely not touch the halfway mark. It's the NDA which will touch the halfway mark, or much more than the halfway mark. And there is no question of overconfidence. That's the reality. All the opinion polls have already reflected that.
Arnab,
But there's a strategy there. 105
Arnab,
seats,
can I
Chandan
just
Mitra,
come
are
in
still
and
to
say
go to
one
the
thing?
elections.
Arnab,
105 seats are still to go to polls.
Arnab, may I come in? Arnab, may I come in?
Arnab, it
Mr.
is so
Narendra
unfair.
Modi
You have three
says that we are
spokesperson
coming
of
far,
BJP on one channel. You have to
we are-
at least allocate time accordingly.
We are coming.
I will come to you,
far.
Mr. Surjewala. Let's hear them, please.
Arnab,
They are the
very
ones
clearly,
calling victory,
at
not you.
least-
Nobody is
at least-
stopping
at
you from
least-
calling victory. Chandan Mitra.
At least he didn't do something like, claim, even while the parliament was there, present, existent, that we have 272, like Mrs. Sonia Gandhi once did, and fell flat. You see, that was overconfidence and a triumph of hope and conjuring over reason. Mr. Narendra Modi is talking reason. Everywhere in the country, there is Modi chant going on, even in my Bengal, where BJP was never a factor. All over the country, people say we want Modi as Prime Minister. It is very clear, and I beg to respectfully disagree with my alliance partner, Mr. Naresh Gujral. I believe the BJP will get 272 plus on its own. But that means that our NDA allies are very much our partners, and we hope more will come and join us so that the NDA becomes a stronger, bigger and more united force and vanquishes the Congress forever to create a Congress Mukt Bharat.
No. Okay, Randeep
Can I
Surjewala,
also come in,
just
Arnab?
remember one thing, Chandan Mitra.
Arnab.
You have been a
Arnab,
very
I think the
experienced
allow
journalist
us
and now a
also
politician.
to
comment,
The
Arnab.
fact
Just
is,
fell
you may
flat right on your
remember,
channel.
are you getting carried away
Between the
because
two
pollsters
allies
have
of
predicted
Bharatiya
a major
Janata,
win for your
between an
party?
ally of BJP.
I thought the exit
No.
poll results and the final results of 2004 would have some kind of sobering and tempering impact on your own expectations. And by the way, why are you snubbing the Akali Dal on national television? Why are you snubbing your alliance
I'm not
partners on
snubbing at all.
national television? Is
I'm
that
saying-
also not a sign of your overconfidence?
No. Where have I snubbed you? Naresh, have I snubbed you? I have said I disrespectfully disagree.
You said basically you don't need any allies, including NDA allies, to form the government.
Respectfully.
You don't need anyone.
Come on,
Tomorrow you'll say we don't need the Shiv Sena, we don't need anyone.
272 on our own. 272 on our own. What is wrong? Every party aspires to get, and we are working to that.
You are not worried about the impact
But Akalis
tomorrow.
are our
I thought
partners.
you were coming to
Akalis
me.
are our partners. They are our firm partners. They will
You are
always
not
remain
worried
our
about
partners.
the impact, Chandan Mitra, of possibly, willingly, voluntarily, knowingly and consciously alienating your party in the Indian political landscape. Where today these kind of comments, we have won the election, we will get 272, we won't even
I'm
need the
sorry,
Akali Dal
Arnab.
to form a halfway
Arnab.
mark.
that for the first time, sir, I think you are getting your arithmetic and your calculation and geometry all wrong. I think you have placed your bets on a person who is inherently divisive and who has polarized the whole agenda in this country, who began on a note of development.
I don't know
but
if Chandan
realized
Mitra.
that he has
No, I
nothing
don't know if
to
Chandan Mitra is going to.
and
I don't know if Chandan Mitra is going to revise what he said, but at this stage of the Newshour debate, dear viewers, the question is this: 105 seats still left for the elections, 33 in Uttar Pradesh. There are 13 seats in Bihar. Can comments like "we've already won the election," Jainara and Vyas, don't look so upset. This is the national debate. Can comments like "we've already won the elections" have two impact? One, the anti-Modi voters will come out in larger numbers. B, the pro-Modi voters will say, "We won the election, sit at home. We won the election. Narendra Modi said, "Hum jeet gaye, sit at home right now." You see, therefore, why would you make a strategic mistake like that? Why would you do that?
Will you please permit me to speak now? Arnab, but for my bad throat, I would have matched you word by word. I am neither
You
nervous.
still can. I can hear you
nor
loud
I am
and clear.
feeling uncomfortable. No, my throat is bad. Otherwise, I would have been louder and clearer than you. But then, Arnab, it is a very well said dictum in English that a dealer should be a leader should be a leader in hope.
like what
So you
BJP
expect
is going
Mr.
to
Narendra
sound
Modi
like
to
after
go out and
16th
announce
of
that we
May,
are going to
Arnab.
lose the election?
No, but
With
to
such
say
a
that
Just
we've
ask
already
what
won the
BJP
election.
BJP's
that is
position
riding
is
across the
going to be
nation.
once results are announced.
Are you trying to say that with all this, Mr. Modi should be so pessimist that he should go out and announce that, oh, there is a tremendous publicity wave, this, that, and all that. But we had bad experience, and therefore we should be very pessimistic. We are not going to come to power. What
No, but
kind of
what's the
hypothesis
strategy?
you are advancing?
What's the
And our
strategy?
election
Okay,
results again
getting a
for
rebut.
results.
Gaurav
That last
Bhatia.
three times it
Gaurav
happened like
Bhatia,
this.
then we are taking a break and we are
What
continuing the
Mr.
debate. Gaurav
Modi is
Bhatia,
going
please.
to say
And Gaurav Bhatia, don't
after
defend your
50
record of the
days.
election commission, please.
And he's
You can
speaking
respond to the
let me
BJP, but
speak,
remember, as far as the
and I
election
just
commission is
wish to
concerned, you are
inform
even
you
more a
and
guilty
viewers
party than
on
any
one
party
Gaurav
here.
Bhatia.
Gaurav.
And Arnab,
I think
Arnab
for
Election
clarity,
Commission
if
has
you
asked to
like
file
to
a
vote, I
FIR.
have to add
No
something.
FIR
To be
conclusively
quiet for a
establishes
bit.
anybody guilty. Don't
I-
use that
I
word.
don't
You
know
said he was
that,
found guilty.
I know- I
That is
do
not.
know
That is
Vyasa
not correct.
writes Mr.
No
Modi's
person
speech
is no
sometimes.
person unless he's
And I
proven
have the
guilty.
patience
He
to
is
hear.
innocent.
Yes, today read out
Filing
the
of an
speech of
FIR
Mr. I would like
doesn't
to
make a
see
person guilty.
that he is
There are
going to
several
file
FIRs
on
filed
16th
against
of
I
Okay,
request
don't speak
you.
together, Mr. Vyas. Mr.
Filing
Vyas,
of
Gaurav
an
Bhatia
FIR.
rebutting you. Then I have to
Filing
take a
of
break.
an FIR.
Gaurav Bhatia is rebutting you, Mr.
Now,
Vyas.
No, but
I know you have a bad throat,
Gaurav
but
Bhatia
it's
may
still
rebut, but
powerful
I
enough
want to rebut
to
you.
stop the
Just say
debate.
one
One
thing.
I want
second.
to rebut you.
Gaurav
Arnab.
Bhatia is rebutting
you
you,
use
Mr.
the word
Vyas.
that Mr. Modi is found guilty. That is not correct. He is not found guilty.
Let
The
me
FIR
say
is
this,
registered
Mr. Vyas,
and
have the
the
patience
cardinal
to
Mr.
hear.
Vyas,
listen.
I
that
think
a
you have
person
a
is
bad
innocent
throat. It would
unless
help
he is found
you
guilty.
if you would rest your throat a little bit. Just listen to me.
So you don't worry about me.
The Statute Representation of People Act
so far-
stands on a far
so far
higher
disturbing the
footing
most.
than a model
You
code
are
of
so far
conduct.
disturbing
He
the
has not
most.
only
So
violated
you
the
have no
model code
business
of
to argue
conduct,
with me.
the order of the Election Commission
That
of
is
India
your
says
judgment.
he has violated the
That
Section
is- that is your
126.
judgment.
Anyway,
And
you've gone back
this
to
is
the
a
old
perfect
debate.
example.
No, I
I'm
agree
taking
with
a
you.
break.
This
I'm taking a break at this stage, and when I
filing
come
of
back
the
on the
FIR.
other side,
Allow
I
me
know
to
Chandan
complete
Mitra is
my
unhappy
share.
with that question,
Filing of
but
the
sitting
FIR.
there in
Filing
in
of the
Hooghly,
FIR does not
he will
mean
have
that
to
it is
answer the
Arnab, what
question.
is this way, Mr.
Jainara and
Vyas
Vyas, listen
continue
please.
speaking? I'll also
It is
match
good
my
to be
tolerance.
confident.
He can't be even quiet for 30 seconds. Why can't he be quiet and listen to other panelists?
He will listen to you when we come out on the other side of the break, Gaurav Bhatia.
But I'm telling him he is using a wrong word. Should I go on shouting like my
You made your point. Have the patience to hear others as well.
He is saying guilty. Now you
Yeah.
file an FIR in...
You are quite senior.
How can
I
you do
don't
that?
wish to remind you that have the decency to allow other panelists to make their point. You are entitled to disagree with me.
But that-
Why are you continuing
Mr.
to
Arnab
interrupt me in
Goswami,
between?
Mr. Arnab Goswami, that right
No,
belongs to
if
me
you have
also.
no answer
You never
for
protected
the
me.
self-goal that Mr. Narendra Modi
That
has
right
done
belong
today,
to me also,
then
Mr.
it
Arnab
only
Goswami.
shows your
You
insecurity,
never-
Mr.
you
Vyas.
never came out and
Are you so
protected me.
insecure that you
When
will
I
be
was
exposed
making
on
my
national
point,
television
Arnab, let us not
regarding the
discuss this
violation
issue.
of all these important things? A senior leader like you not even allowing others
Arnab,
to speak is very unfortunate.
Don't use wrong
I
words.
can match you.
When I was being disturbed, you
with my
never
decibel
find time
level.
found
I can match
time
you with my content.
And it is unfortunate that if I am making a point, you're not even willing to hear it.
Okay, you can
Why-
both
why
make your
shouldn't
points
the
to each
Election
other.
Commission of India
And
ban him
just
from
to
campaigning
clarify
in the entire
to Jainar
country?
and Vyas, that is Gaurav Bhatia, not Arnab Goswami. On the other side, Chandan Mitra, on whether the BJP is looking
No, I am
overconfident
telling
with
you-
105 seats to
I
go.
am telling
Back in
you-
2
I am
minutes. This
telling you,
debate
Arnab
continues on the
Goswami,
News Hour tonight.